Hello guys, so we have our gitbash terminal launched. So all what I'm going to do now is I'm going to align this to the right section of my screen. Now if you don't know how to do this, it's simple. You just drag the top section of your terminal to the top right corner of your screen, right? And that's it. Okay, so now we have our gitbash terminal launched. And as we saw in our previous video, anytime you launch git bash, by default it will launch your home directory. And as we learned, your home directory contains your personal files, your music, your games, and all what you have on your computer, right? Okay, so now anytime you see this tilt sign, it means you are in your home directory. Okay, and anytime you see this dollar sign, it means you can enter your next command. All right. Okay, so now the first command we are going to have a look at is the pwd command. Now pwd simply means print working directory. And now anytime you run this pwd in your terminal, it's going to return um, the file path or the path of your directory, the directory you are currently in. So let's do that. So anytime you run pwd in your terminal, you press enter, it will return the path of your current directory. That is the directory you are working on or you are working in. Now, as we learned, anytime you see this tilde, it means your home directory. So as you can see, I have my um, path as C drive containing the users directory, which also contains the Cerebro folder. Now Cerebro is the name of my home directory. So as you can see, it has returned the path of this home directory you are seeing right there. So if you want to use the graphical user interface, or if you want to navigate manually using the graphical user interface, then you first of all have to go to the C drive, go to the users directory before you can get access to your home directory. Okay, now so this is the function of the pwd. So see you in the next section, guys.